Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings within the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game on your device. And once it is opened up, from the home page, hover down and tap on System. From the System page, tap on Options. And now you can use the Q or E button to scroll through the settings, or use the shoulder buttons within your joystick to end up within the control options. From here, you can choose whichever option you wish to change the key for, and you can simply tap on it in order to set a different button for it. You will then be asked to enter the button that you wish to change into. After you tap on this button, the button will now be redefined and it will be applied to your controls right away. You can do this with all of the major controls that are displayed within the game. And after doing this and applying all of your changes, tap on the Finish Setup button at the bottom section, and now your control settings have immediately been applied to your game. You can now start playing your game in the newly set up control that you have just added. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.